Alright, so I figured out what I did. Which his arms still aren't bending, which I gotta figure that out, but you can see he's not stretched anymore. But like I said, that's just a couple frames of animation. It's not, like a whole run cycle, but it thing's retarded looking. But I'll show y'all here what the normal maps do. Normal maps on and off, you'll see how they make this look different. I'll turn them off. You see it's more flat. Oh, I also have a detail map on. If I turn that off, alright, so I'll do this in reverse order and re-add them. See, is it control? Let's redo, control Y. Alright, so we'll add a detail map. Oh, it's not letting me. What the hell? Oh, there it goes. Detail map, normal map, second normal map, which it doesn't need a second normal map. And a specular. And yeah, and this isn't using the PBR. That's the wrong thing. This isn't using the PBR. This is just using the old style PBR. I'd have to make a couple more maps. And I haven't really been able to make people look good with PBR materials. There is an old decommissioned, depreciated features of subsurface, but I don't know how to use it. But this was the subsurface scattering that is for doing that stuff. But like I said, I don't know how to use it. I'm not sure how it's used. Depreciated means it ain't used anymore, maybe not work at all. But that was for subsurface scattering, which I don't know. This is something I'm gonna have to fool with more. But I did fix what was wrong. What I did is first of all, I went back to him in object mode, because I forgot, after I scaled him from earlier, I forgot to apply all transforms. And then when I exported him to the game, I made sure this time to click apply that global orientation, that up axis is Z and forward is Y, which I didn't have that checked. And immediately when I came back in the game, he was correct. But why his arm isn't bent, but it is bent here, I don't know. I'll have to pick all these bones. I'll just undo all the keyframes I've already made, and I'll just start it over. I didn't spend a whole lot of time on it anyway. But yeah, I'll make some kind of run cycle so that when he's in the game, he somewhat looks like he's running. But like I said, Walt Disney or Pixar are not going to be calling me to come animate. I'm not that kind of animator. Farting around, really. Anyway, I'm going to close this video. Maybe y'all get a little idea how basically like these little things, you don't want to add them in your game. Not, this is somebody